Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Goibibo and locating the specific booking. This is essential because the app links check-in options to the PNR. Once done, confirm the passenger name matches the ticket and note airline check-in windows, since Goibibo may only allow modifications within those limits. Make sure you're signed in and have booking ID ready. This cuts delays. You'll use the booking details page next to access the check-in controls, so keep the confirmation screen visible. Now you access Manage Booking or the check-in section. You do this because Goibibo surfaces time change options there when allowed by the carrier. Once in, select the passenger or passengers whose check-in time you want to change and review the list of available slots the airline permits. Make sure to inspect any displayed fees or policy notes. Fees vary by carrier and timing. If the option isn't visible, it likely means the airline restricts online changes, and you'll need to contact customer support. Finish by selecting the desired check-in time, follow prompts to confirm, and pay any applicable fee. You must complete the final confirmation button for the change to take effect. Once confirmed, you'll get an updated e-ticket or confirmation. Save a screenshot and check the PNR again so you're sure the change registered. If the system errors or the new time doesn't appear, wait 15 to 30 minutes and retry. And if that fails, contact Goibibo or the airline directly with your booking ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.